Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping Within. Another project for you. And guess what? It's another Christmas one. Over in a Stampin' Up Facebook group, we've been challenged to do a monochrome card, a tone-on-tone card. So this is a technique I actually quite enjoy doing, and this is what I've come up with. It's Snowman Season and Snowflake Wishes. I've used a different sponging tool to what I normally use. I've used this oblong one. I need more practice with it, obviously. So I should be going back to my normal stamping sponges for the one we're going to make. So quite simple. This was originally going to be a simple stamping card, but it kind of evolved. So now it's layered now, and it has ribbon. Hey ho! Who knows what's going to happen, eh? So we'll leave that there for you. Where's my bits of card that I had mere moments ago? I kid you not. Here we go. So we've got a standard A6, international A6 card base, which is 8 1/4 by 5 7/8, scored and folded at 4 1/8. Lovely jubbly. Oh, got my fingers everywhere today. Matting piece, which is 4 by 5 3/4. Pool Party is our colour of choice today, and the ink pad is closed. I don't want to spoil my new piece of grid paper, so I've got a piece of scrap here. So first of all, we'll do our snowflakes. How is everybody? Hoping you're all well. Now don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Ring that bell and you will always know when there's a project due. You'll get a notification. Okay, I always do premieres on all lives actually now, but mainly premieres on a Wednesday and a Friday at 8 PM UK time. I like the premiere format because it means I can chat along with you. I can do the same with lives, of course. As you type the comments, I can respond to them verbally. But with the chat, of course, I can type along with you as well. So, which is quite nice. This is our sentiment. Snowflake wishes for a Merry Christmas. Beautiful sentiment. Am I going to get that level? I hope so. Just rest the stamp on the card, let the ink soak in. I'm happy with that. Now for our joyous little juggling snowman. Beautiful. And he's going in this corner here. I should have switched these round actually, shouldn't I? Because that's two big things on one side. Rabbits. I could turn it over, couldn't I? Yeah. Yes. No. I'm all confused now. No, it's fine. It's quite balanced. Right, that's nice and level. Nice little snowman. Love it. Cover your ink pads. These are metaphorical magnets. Cardstock fingers and elbows will end up in it if you leave it open. Ask me how I know. Look, I've even got a splodge there from somewhere. Anyway, will the ribbon cover that? Maybe not actually. Where did that come from? Have I got a spot up? Look, I told you, spot on my finger. Yes. So what I'm going to do, I'm in fact going to turn it over and we'll start again. Get that off. Give it a rub on my leg. Right, so I'm gonna switch it round this time. No two cards are alike, remember. I've done it again. And again. Gordon Bennett. What am I like, eh? Letting the ink soak into the cardstock. Beautiful. Put our sentiment on. Love, love, love. And our joyful snowman. Excellent. Love it to bits. So, now for a bit of sponging. I put my ink away, didn't I? Oh dear. Yes, that's a lot nicer. I do like that. So we finished inking. Get rid of that. Bit of this beautiful pool party sheer ribbon. Got my ribbon scissors. I've got a new pair of snips purely for ribbon. Woe betide anyone who uses them for anything else. Right, put a bit of stamping seal about halfway. When it comes through, that is. Lovely, and over there. Whatever. Yeah. Lovely. Let me put some dimensionals. I'm going to put one on the end of the ribbon just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere, and that will also give a bit of support to the centre of the card as well. So now then, I need a little knot. This saves me tying a bow, you know. You know what I'm like with bows. Oh dear. Actually, I'm not that good with knots today. Come on, Ian, it's only a knot. Beautiful. Love, love, love. So, just got to put some embellishments on there. Sticking to my fingers. Let's get rid of these backings and we'll put it on our base. Beautiful. Now I've already coloured some pearls. I don't have a pool party blend, so I've used a light shaded spruce and it seems to work quite nicely. So using my take your pick tool makes placing embellishments a breeze. Look at that. Just like that. Not like that, like that. Anyway, so there we are. Hope you've enjoyed this. There's the one we've just made. I'll put a sentiment inside. I'll choose one from from one of the sets. Hoping this season builds heartwarming memories. That will be going inside. In fact, why don't I do that now? Actually. Of course, keeping with the tone on tone, this will be in pool party again. Keep it flat. Well, that was clever, Ian. Am I going to have to do that again? Or am I going to have to scrap this card? I might put a piece of white card in there, you know. Yeah. Oh. This is what happens when you craft. Things happen, unfortunately, but you just carry on. You know, I can cover that up and restamp it, so not a problem. There we go. Beautiful. So there we go, everybody. Whatever you're doing today, I hope you're having a lovely time. Join me again for another project soon, and I will be back. Take care, everyone. Bye.